Hi, what's up? This is Nazmul Hussain. Today I am going to teach you a special topic of English grammar, phrase and clause. You know, phrase and clause are very important topic of English grammar. If you want to learn sentences, especially simple, complex and compound sentence, you must know these two topics, phrase and clause. You have to know the difference between phrase and clause. If you don't know the difference between these two topics, you won't be able to understand the sentence properly. So, let's try to understand these two things. Look at this sentence. This sentence is, because of working hard, the man became rich. Here, there are two parts. The first part of the sentence is, because of working hard. And the second part of the sentence is, the man became rich. Here, in this part of the sentence, because of working hard, here, look, there is no finite verb. There is no finite verb. There is a verb here, but this verb is not finite. There is no relation of subject and this verb. So, this verb is a non-finite verb. And only one verb is available here. And you will not find any other verbs in this part of the sentence. So, you can call it a phrase. And because there is no subject and there is no finite verb in this part. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 words here. But none of them is a subject or any finite verb. And now, look at this part of the sentence. The man became rich. Here, the man became rich. There are 4 words here. And the man is the subject of this clause. And became. Became is the past form of become. And as we have got a finite verb here and a subject here, so we can call this part of this sentence a clause. The man is the subject and became is a finite verb and the form of the verb has been changed according to the rules of tense. So, this is the difference between a phrase and a clause. You know, a phrase is a group of words without having any finite verb or any subject. And a clause is also a group of words, but you will find a subject and a finite verb in this part. So, I think you all have understood it properly, and if you want to learn more topic like this, you have to subscribe our channel and like, comment and share this video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.